Hello students. Hope you all are good at home. Today I am in front of you on screen with the new concept of marketing management. Last few classes we have been discussing what is marketing, meaning and definition, nature and characteristics of marketing, functions of marketing. We have covered 1-2 questions in our last discussions. Today, I will tell you most important part of modern marketing, that is different concepts of marketing. Concepts of marketing. Before start the concepts of marketing, let me recap the concept what I have discussed in my last few classes. I told what is marketing. Marketing is nothing but identification of specific need of people. It identifies the need, manufacture the goods and services according to the need and want of people, and availing the manufactured good to the end consumer and ensuring the customer satisfaction. It means it starts with identification of need and ends with satisfaction of need. It means from the whole marketing process, it starts with customer, ends with customer. In other words, marketing is nothing but dealing with all such functions, right from the production to the end consumption. Whatever function we perform, whatever function the marketer performs, it leads to marketing. Marketing creates the time utility, the position utility, and the place utility. What I discussed last class, how it creates time utility, position utility, and place utility. Availing the product at right time, at right place, the right person. I told just immediate before the last class, different functions of marketing. Marketer performs numerous functions. Marketer performs wide varieties of functions, right from marketing research. I told what is marketing research, product development, branding, packaging, labeling, pricing, advertisement, after sale service, customer support system. I told more than 9-10 functions, what I can remind. But today, I will tell you that what are the concepts of marketing. Marketing poses whatever modern marketing speaks, not the same concept of marketing has been followed since 100 years. The concept of modern marketing right now changed into societal marketing. So I will explain today what are the major basic concepts of marketing management. So marketing management come across with 5 major concepts, and they are production concept, second it is product concept, third is first production concept, second is product concept, third is second concept, fourth is marketing concept, and last is societal marketing. I will try to make you clear different concept of marketing. Whatever product services producer offer or product produces, it follows one of the given concept in order to achieve the organizational goal. So let me start with the concept of production. What is production concept of marketing? In the year 1940s, the concept of production was little bit, not so little bit, very famous, particularly in Europe and USA. What production concept is? Production concept is based on a myth that, एक myth के ऊपर बेस है कि जो प्रोड्यूस होगा उसको लोग लेंगे. Whatever is offered, whatever is supplied, that will be purchased. So what production concept speaks? Production concept speaks how the producer will try to manufacture maximum amount of finished good. It already focuses on the quantity. It means already, I just told you that in 1940s the product concept, selling concept, marketing concept was not present. In 1940s the producer focuses on the concept of manufacturing. It means how maximum could be produced with minimum cost. Maximum raw material. In this concept, what producers says is producers try to get cheap raw material after evaluating from one number of vendors and suppliers. It identifies a person who can cheaply avail the raw material, semi-finished product. You can say finished product, I mean raw machineries, tools, equipment, getting the right material in cheap rate, so that the producer can maintain economies to scale. What is economies to scale? जो सस्ते में उसको प्रोड्यूस कर सके, इकोनॉमिक्स टू स्केल. प्रोड्यूसर यहाँ पे क्या करेगा? रॉ मटेरियल चीप रेट में परचेज करेगा, बहुत ही सस्ते में सेमी फिनिश प्रोडक्ट निकालेगा, परचेज करेगा, बहुत ही सस्ते में मशीनरी परचेज करेगा, बहुत ही सस्ते में लेबर को हायर करेगा, so that producer would maintain economies to scale. Economies to scale. इससे क्या होगा? बहुत ही सस्ते में मार्केट में प्रोड्यूसर को मैन्युफैक्चर्ड प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज अवेलेबल हो पाएगा. तभी जाके हर कोई बंदा, everybody will able to afford and purchase. That means whatever will be manufactured, that will be offered. Whatever will be manufactured, that will be easily accepted by the end consumer. The production concept focuses on the technical production, focuses on minimization of cost, focuses on distribution, strong distribution channel, so that it could be plentifully available, it could be widely available across the market, across the city, across the state. So there must be certain lacunas. In 1940s, later stage product concept before STOM came, production concept had certain lacunas. उसका कुछ limitations था. वो limitation क्या था? जो produce होगा उसको purchase. जो produce होगा मतलब that we don't know. Producer didn't able to identify what customer finds, seeks. So ये lacking the knowledge what customer wants. प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट में ये नहीं होगा. दूसरा, ये सिर्फ प्रोडक्शन के ऊपर ध्यान देता है. क्या प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट? इट डज नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द क्वालिटी एंड वैरायटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. जो कुछ प्रोड्यूस होगा उसको कस्टमर लेंगे, वो नीड के ऊपर डिपेंड है। ये पॉसिबल होगा जब कंपटीशन बहुत कम रहेगा, तभी जाके प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी फ्रूटफुल टूल फॉर द प्रोड्यूसर टू ग्रैब मैक्सिमम मार्केट। बट इन द कॉम्पिटिटिव एरा जो भी प्रोड्यूस करेंगे लोग खरीदेंगे, ये सोचना बेवकूफी होगा। इट इज कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन a myth which has no truth at all. So production concept। लेकिन अभी प्रेजेंट टाइम में कुछ कंपनीज ये प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट को फॉलो करते हैं। आई कांट एट ऑल डिनाई दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट डज नॉट वर्क। कुछ मार्केटर क्या करते हैं इस कॉन्सेप्ट को, जैसे कि Amazon ले लो। व्हाट Amazon does, Amazon tries to get the cheap product, particularly in the plastic segment and the toy segment. What it does, it purchases the product cheaply from different local Chinese, not local, Chinese producers in cheaper price, and they just reveal on the online platform and people usually ready to accept. हार्डवेयर मान लो, प्लास्टिक लो, कोई भी टॉयज लो या हाउस होल्ड प्रोडक्ट लो, वेरी चीपली इट इज अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट, और जो है हम उसको खरीद भी लेते हैं। व्हाट एवर इज प्रोड्यूस्ड दैट इज परचेस्ड। सो आज के डेट में Amazon और दूसरा स्नैपडील जैसी कंपनी आज के डेट में प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट को फॉलो करते हैं। व्हाट एवर इज प्रोड्यूस्ड दैट विल बी ऑफर्ड। सो कुछ हद तक वो कंपनीज भी सक्सेस हुए, सक्सेस कंपनीज जो कि प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट आज भी फॉलो करते हैं कुछ कंपनी, लेकिन ये कंसेप्ट वाइडली यूज नहीं है। सो इन 1960s 1960 के दशक में ये प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट था जो वो आउटडेटेड हो गया। द कॉन्सेप्ट had been outdated in the year 1960s because of the limitation what I told in the production concept. The new concept came into existence, that is product concept. So previously producer focused on the procedure of manufacturing by using economies to scale, सस्ते में कैसे देगा, लेकिन product concept only focuses how product could be enhanced, product could be upgraded. It means it simply standardize the quality of the product. Instead of quantity, they in product concept, the producer concentrate high on the quality of the product. Whatever will be produced, probably that will not be sold unless until the quality of the product is good. What product concept? So how it is possible to maintain the quality of the product in every aspect? Yes, it is. Yes, the quality of the product could be maintained in the form of research development, in the form of product innovation, using of more and more technology. Point here is, can we able to maintain the price? Probably not. Product concept concentrates only on the quality, not on the price. So whatever good product we will produce, what product concept speaks, quality products will be automatically purchased with, even though in the higher price. I think you understand me. अगर प्रोडक्ट का क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा रहेगा तो उसके लिए कंज्यूमर कुछ भी पे करने के लिए तैयार हो जाएगा। दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट marketing. What product concept speaks? Product concept speaks on how the product variety, product quality will be enhanced so that it will be easily accepted, so that it will be easily grabbed by all the consumer. Again, ये जो प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट उसका भी कुछ लिमिटेशन है। तो ये किसके ऊपर बेस्ड है? क्वालिटी के ऊपर, क्वालिटी ओरिएंटेड बोल सकते हैं, ये क्वालिटी ओरिएंटेड है। ये क्या था? सस्ता इकोनॉमिक्स स्केल था, लेकिन प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? क्वालिटी ओरिएंटेड है। तो प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट का भी कुछ लिमिटेशन था, इसीलिए वो आउटडेटेड हो गया। क्या था क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट का लिमिटेशन? फर्स्ट तो ये व्हाट कंज्यूमर सीक्स, व्हाट कंज्यूमर वांट डज नॉट फॉलो। प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट कंज्यूमर को क्या चाहिए कुछ मतलब नहीं, सिर्फ हम अच्छा प्रोडक्ट तैयार करेंगे। किसके लिए करेंगे? कंज्यूमर के लिए करेंगे, लेकिन कंज्यूमर को क्या पता हमें क्या चाहिए, हमें पता नहीं। दो वी डोंट नो व्हाट कंज्यूमर सीक्स, so product concept probably won't be a better एक limitation. दूसरा, it does not concentrate on the price, it does not concentrate its supply chain availability, only concentrate on the quality of the product. Quality of the product if it will be enhanced, if it won't be able to reach the consumer at right time, right place, then product concept only worked for few years. In the year 1960 to 1980s it worked, but in the year of 1970, in the late 70s, in 70s or late 70s, you can say, a new concept came into existence. तो ये 70s के दौर में कंपटीशन थोड़ा आने लगा, धीरे धीरे करके कंपटीशन बढ़ता गया। Yes, competition has been widely increased in the market. So the seller, I can say, the concept of selling has been came into existence. बिना एफर्ट, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट में प्रोड्यूस कर दो, इफ इट इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड वर्क इज ओवर, चीप रेट में प्रोड्यूस कर दो, ऑटोमेटिकली लोगों को तक पहुंच जाएगा। प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट में अच्छा प्रोडक्ट तैयार कर दो, इफ यू विल परचेज अ क्वालिटेटिव प्रोडक्ट, इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली गिव्स टू द कंज्यूमर अगेन। Won't work. Selling concept, it works because you use certain effort. Selling is nothing but promoting, pushing the product towards the consumer. कुछ effort देना, कुछ sales, personal effort. What is personal selling? It's a personal effort. It's a personal communication between one and one communication. जिसको सेलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस भी करो, क्वालिटी भी मेंटेन करो, और उससे पहले उसको एफर्ट भी दो, उसको पुश देम टुवर्ड्स द कंज्यूमर, पुश देम अप टुवर्ड्स द कंज्यूमर। इफ यू पुश देम अप टू द कंज्यूमर, हाउ कैन यू? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डायलॉग्स। इन सेलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट द प्रोड्यूसर विल give some personal effort, the producer appoints some salesman, some sales officer, some sales executive who directly will promote their product to the end consumer in order to increase the sales value. This is nothing but the selling concept. Selling concept. Selling concept में apart from personal selling, various other promotional activities such as publicity, such as advertisement has been introduced in that particular era of 1970. Selling concept came into a huge fame, name and fame, very popularity, and even nowadays, the concept of selling has been very popular in most of the companies in India. Personal effort के बिना ये accepted by consumer is highly difficult. So personal selling or selling concept, almost all, if you talk about Bata, Eureka Fox, you can say Vigo, almost all companies, they give effort how they can maximize the sale by giving the selling effort, promoting their product in form of selling effort, maybe personal or non-personal. So this is what you can say promoting. Selling concept concentrate on promoting or pushing the product to the end consumer so that it will be accepted, it will be successfully reached to the consumer with the competitive the selling concept. Again, what are the limitations of selling concept? Why marketing concept came? Selling concept is very limited. Concentrate only on maximization of sales value. It concentrate only on profit. It concentrate only on the quantity. But selling concept does not focus setting a good relationship. Selling activity probably will not stimulate the consumer for repurchase. Probably. Satisfaction कस्टमर मिला ना मिला सेलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट में नहीं है. तो सेल्स इज अ वेरी narrow concept. So narrowly accepted, narrowly performed function. So you can say selling concept had certain limitation. In order to overcome from that limitation, in the year of 1980s, the marketing concept came into existence. What is marketing? What I already discussed in my last few classes in detail. What is marketing concept? If we will talk about the marketing concept, it starts with identification of specific need of people. What I spoke, which was in earlier pages, production, product, selling. It was completely unavailable. But in marketing concept, probably it came up with a new idea that just to identify what consumers want. Marketing concept starts much before production starts. It's a very wide range of concept. Dr. Philip Kotler was the father of modern marketing, who came up, McCarthy, who came up with the concept of marketing mix. Various other marketing scholars have been, American Marketing Association contributed a lot for development of marketing concept that I will discuss later on. So what is marketing concept? Marketing concept starts with the identification of specific needs. Manufacture the goods and services according to the need and want of people. Availing the goods and services after it is manufactured by setting a strong distribution channel. And ensuring the consumer is satisfied with after giving them after-sales services in form of warranty or setting up their complaints and grievances. So what I can say, marketing concept is something which got more and more reputation, more and more name and fame, particularly in the year of 1980s, because the producers, the marketers, the business realized that with this limited function weapon, probably the producer may not be able to retain a customer. It may probably attract the customer, but it cannot retain the customer for long term basis. It means giving all the what is marketing concept is? Marketing concept is nothing but it starts with customer, ends with customer, is completely customer oriented. So it means offering all the customer oriented functions right from pre-production to post-purchase. So marketing oriented concept is based on customer satisfaction. It starts with identification of need and ends with satisfaction of need. So you can say it is setting a very wide sort of function and setting a wide, long-term relationship with the customer. So you can say marketing concept is something which satisfies the you can say customer satisfaction. So again, it has certain limitation. I will go to the limitation. Just before that, I can say that marketing concept right now, almost all companies go with this concept of marketing. So what we are discussing, marketing management concept. So our subject is completely based on this concept, marketing concept. Almost all companies, whether it is a small scale business or a large scale business, a private business or a multinational company or a public limited company, whether it is a manufacturing or a trading, whether it is a public company or private company, whatever, whether it is a product oriented company or a service oriented company, whether it is a trader or an importer or exporter, whatever the company it is, right now, marketing concept plays a very crucial role. Right now, almost all the companies follow marketing concept and they accept product selling as an ancillary concepts. But the primary concept is marketing concept, the present modern era, where customer satisfaction plays quite important role, which the marketing concept is all about. So, what is its limitation again? If marketing concept is the end, then why social marketing fail? Again, a very question you may ask. Yes, marketing concept has certain limitation, not few limitation, what I can say. What limitation marketing concept is, it only concentrates on the customer or the consumer. Does it focuses any of the societal concept or society as a whole? Does it give any effort for social development, community service, social welfare? No. Marketing concept starts with identification of needed want of people, and ends with satisfaction of needed want of people. That means those who are purchasing their good, or those who are planning to purchase the good, or those who are intention to purchase your good. But it does not do anything for the society as a whole. But it does not perform any specific function to any of the community as a whole. So in 21st century, the concept of societal marketing has become, got its, you can say, a popularity. What social marketing is, apart from satisfying the customer, social marketing concept setting up of a very good relationship with every stakeholder in the society. Every stakeholder includes, it may be the people, those who are not purchasing your good. There may be anybody, means it concentrates more on, social marketing concentrates highly on satisfying the society as a whole. It means service to the mankind, service to the society is the primary concern. Apart from producing, manufacturing, selling, satisfying to the consumer, satisfying to the society by offering them certain social services in the form of giving them better, cheaper price, better quality product, cheaper price, transportation facility, good healthcare facility, you can say, and polluting the environment, deforestation, many other. Social security to people, many other. Is it really true, or it is a bookish concept that we study in our notebook and just throwing it out after months? It is computed, no, it works. It works. At the present time, many companies, I can give you a few examples, like the companies like Tata Group of companies. They follow societal marketing concept. It means whatever profit they earn, they spend a quite good handsome portion of the money for the development of the society, particularly in the healthcare, particularly to the weaker section of the serving the weaker section of the people, the orphanage, old age homes, offering, reducing pollution, afforestation. You can see just nearby Barampur, various plantation work has been done by the Tata Steel. So why? This is nothing but social marketing concept. Reliance Foundation has been set up by Mrs. Nita Ambani. What is the intention of setting such kind of programs? In fact, it performs a very good intention, they had a very good intention to start at the foundation, and they serving to the orphan kids for their education, for their better health, and serving them throughout the life, adopting the orphan kids by the foundation. Sometimes ITC again spends huge amount of money for the development of the orphan kids, for the education of the orphan kids. Many of the companies, almost all companies. In fact, Government of India in the year of 2016, the New Companies Act has been passed, where the 2% of the gross profit must be spent. It's a compulsory one. Companies Act speaks that 2% of the gross profit is to be spent for the betterment of the service, betterment of the society as a whole. Society marketing has become the essential concept in upcoming days. In this particular time, probably in this pandemic condition, the society marketing concept works a lot. Right now, people are there, those who are observing who are the companies, those who are spending money, those who are spending their property, their resources, spending everything, time for the betterment of the society. They will accept the post-pandemic time that means society marketing work a lot. In upcoming time, marketing concept will be get that way less weightage as compared to societal marketing. This is all about different concept of marketing. What I think you just understood what I tried to speak you about. And next class I will tell you the importance of the marketing and how marketing concept and selling concept is different from one another. Thank you.